Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sea of online courses promising to teach you everything about digital marketing, only to find yourself sifting through hours of pre-recorded content with no real support? Yeah, I've been there too. But today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to something entirely different, a revolutionary approach to building your legacy. Welcome to the #1 digital growth community on Skool. So, what's all the fuss about? Unlike those one-size-fits-all courses, the Legacy Builder program is a live and interactive program supported by an amazing community. It's another course where you're left to your own devices. It's so much more than that. Imagine having a community of like-minded go-getters just like you, all striving to create something extraordinary. You're never alone here. Every session is live, giving you direct access to experts and peers ready to offer real-time advice and feedback. Whether you're brainstorming a new idea, tackling a challenge, or celebrating a win, your community is right there with you. And let's talk about support. In the Legacy Builder program, you're not just another username. You get personalized guidance tailored to your unique business needs. Our mentors are seasoned entrepreneurs who have been in your shoes and know the ins and outs of the game. They're here to help you navigate, grow, and succeed. One of the standout features? Weekly live webinar and tech calls for those of us not very tech savvy. Yep, no more procrastinating or feeling stuck. With regular check-ins and progress tracking, you'll stay on your path and hit all your milestones. Your success is our priority. And let's not forget the power of networking. The connections you make here could turn into lifelong friendships. Collaborate, share resources, and grow together. This isn't just about learning. It's about building a strong, supportive network that lifts you up. The Legacy Builder program is where your ideas come to life, your skills get sharpened, and your dreams become reality. It's not just education, it's transformation. So, if you're ready to break free from the ordinary and build something truly extraordinary, the Legacy Builder program is your next step. Don't just learn, engage, interact, and thrive in a community that's dedicated to your legacy. Click the link below to join the Legacy Builder program today and start building your legacy with us. I can't wait to see you there. Remember, the future belongs to those who dare to build it. Let's build yours together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Comment Legacy if you've made it to the end of this video, and you'll receive the free blueprint to get started.